Not too excited about it, eh?
I said no.
Yeah, not as good as breast milk.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Isaac.
Yeah. Well, who's up?
Lucas, do you want to feed baby?
Okay, I'll come next.
Because this is not something he's real thrilled about.
Okay, I'll try.
Where are you going? You're going in this
I'll
chair?
sit, yeah.
Okay.
Here, you could try to get a picture.
He seems to be...
Isaac. Hi, baby.
Oh, come on, sweetie. Here.
He doesn't have that big smile.
Come on. He said, I don't know if I like this or not. Come on. Come on. Oops. Oh, he's kind of hunched over.
You feed baby too, Lucas. Do you want to help feed Isaac?
Come on, honey.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 oh. I'm not sure I care for this that much. Uh-oh. Come on, tweetie.